Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to how Teledyne LeCroy USB Type-C high-speed and sideband debug coupons are used to find PHY-Logic and sideband failures on USB Type-C connected devices. But first, what is a debug coupon? When debugging system failures or performance issues between USB Type-C connected devices, a protocol exerciser analyzer or a known good link partner is used. The USB-C debug coupon assembly replaces the USB C2C golden cable in the system and provides access to all electrical signals at the connector, so PHY-Logic layer and sideband signal failures can be found with an oscilloscope. Teledyne LeCroy has two USB-C debug coupons, TF-USB-C PHY-Logic and sideband for accessing both high-speed and sideband signals, and TF-USB-C sideband for accessing sideband signals only. High-speed signals are accessed using DH series differential probes, while sideband signals are accessed using a variety of passive and active probes. The TF-USB-C coupon assembly, including the provided short C2C test cable, replaces the 0.8 meter golden cable in the system under test. Signal integrity transparency is essential at 20 gigabits per second for USB4, Thunderbolt, and DisplayPort 2.0 testing. Transparency is demonstrated by comparing the loss of the golden cable with the test coupon assembly, where we find these losses to be approximately equal over the frequencies of interest. TF-USB-C debug coupons can be used for testing all standards over the USB Type-C connector, with the LabMaster 10ZIA, SDA 8ZIB, or Teledyne LeCroy high-definition oscilloscopes such as the WayPro HD. When configured with Teledyne LeCroy's unmatched lineup of USB Type-C analysis software, you can now test USB4 and Thunderbolt PHY-Logic and retiming, USB 3.2 link training, or DisplayPort source, sync, and LTTPR communications. And over the sidebands, USB power delivery, DisplayPort alt mode, and USB4 sideband negotiations. And of course, USB 2.0 communication. This concludes this introduction of Teledyne LeCroy's USB Type-C debug coupons. For more information and videos on Teledyne LeCroy's USB Type-C PHY and PHY-Logic test solutions, visit us at teledynelecroy.com/USB-C.